So my name is Andre Rendon Ligalig. So in this activity 10, entitled Research Exploration and Video Report on Machine Learning and IoT. So in here we are tasked to find a research that is already published in year 2020 to until 2025. So the research must be in 5 pages, and this is the research that I found. So improving software defects detection and in-depth analysis of machine learning methods and static analysis tools for greater accuracy. So this research is published on 2025 in this year. Then the author of this research is Veer Bobaid. So in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, or DMIHER, Wardha, Maharashtra in India. So kaning improving software defects detection, so mura ni siya kanang sa atong Python bitaw nga tool, like maka-detect na siya built-in nga maka-detect siya og mga bugs or errors, pero limitado lang siya. So with this research is ang i-combine na nila og kanang machine learning, no, para mas mapa-accurate ang pag-detect sa code and mas broad pa ang iyang ma-detect. So kini nga research is nagtuon sa pag-detect o pangita sa mga sayop sa code. So gamit ang machine learning. So mao gina ang iyang main nga purpose. So next. So what is the problem of this research? So the problem of this research is to address the critical issues of software defects in systems which can lead to security vulnerabilities and reliability problems, especially in IoT environments. So where devices are resource constrained and often deployed without rigorous post-deployment updates. So traditional static analysis tools often miss complex bugs, just like what I said sa kanang for example sa atong Python na static lang ay kanang mga built-in lang na mga kanang mga detection sa mga errors or bugs. So this paper explore how machine learning can be used to improve defect detection in source code, so ensuring greater software quality for IoT application. The researchers evaluated supervised ML models or machine learning models such as decision tree or DT, random forest or RF, support vector machines or SVM, and naive Bayes or NB. So this model were trained to classify code samples as defective or clean features extracted from static analysis. So the models were evaluated for precision, recall, and accuracy to determine which algorithm best detects real-world defects. So mo ni siya ang mga supervised ML models. So IoT application domain. So the focus of this of the research applies primarily to IoT software development, while not tied to a specific IoT sector like smart homes or healthcare. So the paper's implications affect all domains where IoT devices rely on. So embedded or firmware level code such as smart sensors, wearable health tech, industrial IoT systems, and improving the detection of bugs in such systems ensures better security, stability, and efficiency. Data use and how it was collected. So the study used an open source data sets of real software code. So notably NASA MD MVP datasets and promise dataset repository. So the NISA MDBP in datasets is widely used in defect prediction research. Then the promise dataset repository it includes various labeled software project files with known defects. So data was collected and pre-processed using static code analyzers, which extract metrics like cyclomatic complexity, line count, function calls, control structures. So these metrics serve as input features for training the ML models. So result and conclusions. So the results and conclusions. So random forest achieved the highest accuracy over 90% across multiple datasets. Then ML-based detection significantly outperformed static tools when used alone. Then hybrid approaches or static plus machine learning provide the best overall performance in detecting real bugs while minimizing false positives. So the study concludes that combining static analysis with machine learning yields a more accurate and reliable software defect detection system. So reflection on real world impact. So the research holds strong implications for the real world development of IoT system by enhancing the defect detection process. By during development, manufacturers can reduce post-deployment bugs, lower maintenance costs, prevent IoT system failures, and improve cybersecurity. Then especially in critical application like smart cities or healthcare. So integrating machine learning into the software development lifecycle makes IoT system safer and more dependable, which is crucial as they become more embedded in daily life. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something, and thank you.